வீடியோவை பார்ப்பதற்கு முன் நம்மளுடைய சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணலாம், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். கூடவே பெல் ஐக்கானை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்கள், லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள்.
மாணவ செல்வங்களுக்கு வணக்கம். பயோபாட்டனி தேர்வுக்கு எதிர்பார்க்கப்படும் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் இப்போ நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். சாப்டர் 1 Asexual and Sexual Reproduction in Plants. Important 2 marks. Define pollinium. Draw diagram and label the parts of dicot seed. What is pollen kit? Define endothelium. Tapetum is dual in origin. Justify your answer. அடுத்து important 3 marks. Distinguish mound layering and air layering. Draw diagram and label the parts of structure of embryo sac. Define sporopollenin. List out the functions of tapetum. Endothelium is associated with dehiscence of anther. Justify the statement. Important 5 marks. With a suitable diagram, explain the structure of an ovule. What is endosperm? Explain its types. What is parthenocarpy? Write note on its significance. Chapter 2 Classical Genetics. Important 2 marks. Differentiate genotype and phenotype. Define atavism. Give the names of the scientists who rediscovered Mendelism. What is backcross? What is lethal genes? Important 3 marks. What is phytotrophy? What is extrachromosomal inheritance or extranuclear inheritance? Differentiate discontinuous variation from continuous variation. What are the reasons for Mendel's successes in his breeding experiment? Differentiate incomplete dominance and codominance. Important 5 marks. Explain the law of dominance in monohybrid cross. Describe dominant epistasis with an example. Describe chloroplast inheritance. Chapter 3 Chromosomal basis of inheritance. Important 2 marks. What is Tata box? Describe transposons. What is nullisomy? Differentiate between linkage and crossing over. What is the purpose of capping? Important 3 marks. Differentiate coding and non-coding strand. What is the difference between missense and nonsense? Define sonora. Mention the name of man-made cell, how it is formed. Write the importance of crossing over. Important 5 marks. What is crossing over? Explain. Write the salient features of Saturn and Bovary concept. Significance of ploidy. Chapter 4 Principles and processes of biotechnology. Important 2 marks. What are the materials used to grow microorganisms like spirulina? Define bioremediation. What is mean by single cell protein? Give one example. What are the enzymes used in genetic engineering? What is bioreactor or fermenter? Important 3 marks. What do you know about the word PBR 3227? Write the any 3 applications of single cell protein. Write the 3 applications of biotechnology. What is mean by biopiracy? Give example. What is recombinant DNA technology? Important 5 marks. Compare the various types of blotting techniques. Write the advantages and disadvantages of BT cotton. Write the steps involved in recombinant DNA technology. Chapter 5 Plant Tissue Culture. Important 2 marks. What is totipotency? Define hybrid. Write the culture medias used in tissue culture laboratory. What do you mean embryoids? What is cell suspension culture? What are called synseeds? Define explant. Important 3 marks. Write the steps in the isolation of protoplast in protoplasmic culture shortly. Write any 3 uses of artificial seeds. Give an account on cryopreservation. Differentiate somoclonal and gametoclonal variations. Write the various steps involved in cell suspension culture. Important 5 marks. Write the applications of plant tissue culture. Explain the basic concepts involved in plant tissue culture. What is sterilization? Write the various types of sterilization followed in tissue culture laboratory. Chapter 6 Principles of Ecology. Important 2 marks. What is thermal stratification? Mention the 8 types. What is vivipary? Name a plant group which exhibit vivipary. What is seed ball? Green algae are not likely to be found in the deepest strata of the ocean. Give at least one reason. Define vermicophily. What is ecological hierarchy? Important 3 marks. What is phytoremediation? What is ecological equivalence? Which soil is suitable for cultivations? Give reasons. What are the advantages of seed dispersal? What is albedo and write their effects? Ecotone and edge effect. Important 5 marks. Enumerate the anatomical adaptations of xerophytes. Tabulate the different types of interactions with examples. List out the morphological adaptations of epiphytes. What is soil profile? Explain the characters of different soil horizon. Chapter 7 Ecosystem. Important 2 marks. What is photosynthetically active radiation? What is a food chain? What is food web? Give one example. What is biogeochemical cycle? Define decomposition. Important 3 marks. What is 10% law? Write in significance of food web. Pyramid of energy is always upright. Why? How to affect an ecosystem of human activities? Write down type of ecosystem. Important 5 marks. How to protect the ecosystem? Write about characteristics of ecological succession. Write about the significance of plant succession. Chapter 8 Environmental issues. Important 2 marks. What is the greenhouse effect? Name of the greenhouse gases. Write any 2 major activities of Forest Extension Center. What is afforestation? What is social forest? Important 3 marks. Write the global warming effects on plants. Expand CCS and explain. What is remote sensing? Write the CHIPCO movements. Write the environmental benefits of rainwater harvesting. Important 5 marks. What is global warming? Write the effects of global warming. Write the effects of ozone depletion. Write the effects of deforestation. Chapter 9 Plant breeding. Important 2 marks. What are biofertilizers? What are biopesticides? What is acclimatization? What is hybridization? What is heterosis? Important 3 marks. Write a short note on seaweed liquid fertilizer. Define green revolution. What is rhizobium biofertilizer culture? Mention its uses. What is mycorrhizae? Mention its uses. Define plant introduction. Name the rice variety from Philippines. Important 5 marks. What is plant breeding? What are the objectives of plant breeding? Explain the different types of hybridization. List out the new breeding techniques involved in developing new traits in plant breeding. Chapter 10 Economically useful plants and entrepreneurial botany. Important 2 marks. What is pseudocereal? Write the medicinal uses of turmeric. Name the plants that are used as psychoactive drugs, which is called as queen of spices. Write its uses. Which is used as natural orange dye. Write its uses. What is bonsai? What is terrarium? Important 3 marks. Write the economic importance of rice. What are the humors used in Siddha and Ayurveda medicinal treatment? Which is called as the black gold or king of spices. Write its uses. What is organic farming? Write any 3 uses of rosewood. Write the uses of coconut fibers. Important 5 marks. How will you prepare biopest repellent? As an entrepreneur, how will you cultivate mushroom?